Whoa, so we're just heading back up now. This is awesome, man. It's 80,000, we'll go up, back up again. Oh yes, this is good. Here's me. I'm just climbing Kilimanjaro. I was gonna do Everest, but nah. It's definitely not the weather for that. I think it's cooler going down, but this is quite cool actually. I'm enjoying this. It's quite chilled, you know. Just got a message to say my battery's low. It's all this video in. That was great, that waterfall though. It's worth doing the roller coaster. I mean, I haven't done something like this kind of stuff before. Surprisingly, I haven't got like a seatbelt. Like, you had a seatbelt for the other one, but you didn't have a seatbelt for this one. Pretty strange. If there's like a little dip here. Oh, there is. Ooh. There we go, and then we go up. I wonder how much stuff, how many people have recorded this. Probably a few. Okay, they've got an emergency stop here. Somebody just said, wee. No, they need to go to the toilet. I'm sure there's one provided. So at this point, I just normally turn off my video because I don't know if you're allowed to really record it.